Take a ride in the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, security alarm, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.